Good day, everyone. In this video, we're going to check what is our DNS and change the DNS to either Google or the Cloudflare. All these DNS are great DNS in terms of low ping and faster internet. Open your internet browser and just type what is my DNS server just to find out which server we are using. So here you will get the result top10vpn.com. So I'll click on what's my DNS server, and here we have this press to check your DNS server. So I'll click here, and here I can see I am using the Google DNS currently. And if you see anything else and if you're not satisfied with the DNS, what you can do is press Window and R, or simply do a right click in the start icon and click on Run. And here type ncpa.cpl. Now once you have typed it, hit OK, and then you will have a lot of adapters here. Select your main adapter. Like if you're using a cable connection, you will have Ethernet, or if you're using a Wi-Fi, you will have the Wi-Fi connection. So I can see right here, I just have to double click like this, and then we need to click on Properties. Once you click on Properties, you will have a window like this, and you just need to go to this Internet Protocol version 4, and then go to Properties, and from here type these DNS which I'm using right now. You can use either the Cloudflare. The primary DNS is 1.1.1.1, and the secondary DNS is 1.0.0.1. And Google is 8.8.8.8, and secondary is 8.8.4.4. So you can copy that, and you can enter like this, like I have entered 8, then 8, then 8, and 8. And in the same manner, we can enter the alternative DNS server and just click on OK and restart the computer and see the difference in browsing. Overall, it will increase the performance of your internet. You can let me know in the comment section. And guys, I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.